Hello everybody, I'm the Gecko Spectre coming at you here with a special video and one of my unboxing videos. This month I have Lootcrate. Yeah, this month is the reason why I got this one is because this month's theme is speed, and it's featuring something to do with Arrow and the Flash. As you can see, I love the Flash. I have Zoom, and I have a bunch of pops, and I have both seasons of here. I love the Flash, and I'm really hoping to get some good stuff in this box. So let's get this started, shall we? Okay, let's get this box open. Box open. Oh, dang, this is cool. It's like I've heard the Loot Crate boxes have themes inside. And look, it has a car. It's a car. So let me see if I can build that later on. I'll probably show later on. Okay, here's the shirt. I will see that. I will save that for last. Oh, sorry. I'll save that for last. Oh, this is awesome. A Batman keychain. Check this out. Oh, this is the Batwing. Oh, it's a metal Batwing keychain. Oh, dude, that is so freaking awesome. I'm gonna put this in my car keychain. Okay, let's put that to the side. Okay, what else do we have? Oh, an exclusive. This is the car. This is Eleanor, the car from the Gone for 60 Seconds with Nick Cage. Oh, that's super awesome. I'm gonna put that over here. And we got a Battlestar Galactica Titan Titan ship figure. That's cool. I have not watched Battlestar Galactica. It's on my list of stuff I haven't watched, but this is freaking sweet. I also got the pen. As you see, this month's theme is speed. There you go. Oh, this is cool. Collectible auto ornaments. Exclusive. Oh, I got Arrow. I was hoping for the Flash, but I got the Arrow hood ornament. It's cool. As you see from my excitement, I like Arrow. It started the Arrowverse universe or the Flareverse universe, but I'm more. I kind of like the Flash more. I was hoping for the Flash one, but this is cool. I might give this out when we hit 100 subscribers, or I might send this out to one of my friends. It's cool though. It's cool. I'll put it up here. Oh, I almost forgot. I always forget. Let's see this one's shirts. Speed. Oh, this is freaking awesome. It's one of the shirts from it's a shirt themed after the Stark when he was doing the race in Monaco in Iron Man 2. This is sweet, man. I can't wait to wear this. This is freaking awesome. Oh, you can turn this. You can turn this into a card. Alright. Oh. Ooh, little Loot Crate magazine. Guys, I hope you enjoyed my unboxing video. If you want to subscribe to Loot Crate, I'll leave a link in the description below. Thank you, everybody. This is my second unboxing video. Thank you for watching.